I was thinking, what if we did like a swash, a single water source, sort of an organic cage-free water.
Make sure you watch the very end of this video. We're gonna give a prize to the very last person watching.
Water never touched by the human hand, never tasted by the human tongue. Single source, wild water. Foraging wild water, you know, it's a trick, it's a skill. Again, Kyle Borndauser. Well, we made it, the wilderness.
You know, they say that it's the male seahorse that carries the babies. But they say a lot of things, so I don't know if that's true or not. I held a baby one time. Not inside of me, but just in my arms. It's a pretty cute baby.
Nature.
Yeah, long and arduous journey. So it's pristine.
Not a soul in sight.
We're looking for single source, and I think that curly-haired kid with the sunglasses, I'm pretty sure he peed in it, and I think that counts for at least 2 sources.
I think we can find someplace a little more remote.
Yeah.
Wait, am I supposed to talk about my feelings right now? Because my understanding was that they're called feelings because you feel them. If I said it out loud, that would be talkings.
I heard you grew up with bears.
Oh yeah, my 2 dads, dude. Bruce and Gary. All right, this is more like it, man.
Yeah,
This is more what I was thinking of. Kind of a high, cold mountain stream.
Yeah.
Let's fill these buckets.
Yeah, let's do it. We'll find out if this works.
Out here in wild nature, we found our hand-foraged water. How about a little urban foraging? We're foraging. I want to forage. Ugh. Hops? Growing in the wild? That's good forage.
Got it.
Got it.
Day 2. So we have our water. We have all the rest of the ingredients that we foraged. Everything is natural from the wild.
Hand foraged.
Yep. Now we're gonna make the beer.
Let's brew it.
Yeah. New set.
It's like we're in Wayne's basement.
We're looking down on Wayne's basement. Only that's not Wayne's basement.
Once again, prize for the last person watching.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a fun sound.
Ooh. Ooh.
I think we good. We're going and flowing. Okay, question is, do we want to do any sort of water chemistry adjustment?
No. Know how we always forget to adjust our water chemistry? We're not adjusting shit, dude.
Well, let's check pH.
Let's check
Out
pH.
of curiosity, I'd like to know.
I want to know
Yeah,
too.
you're going 6-8?
I'm gonna go 6-8.
Okay.
Is that someone screaming?
Somebody is screaming. As we suspected may happen, immediately Weed Whacker begins.
Mayhem in the Ahem.
And then now someone's just randomly screaming. pH of our mountain spring water is 6.3.
Okay.
We're up to temp.
Up to temp.
We're mashing at 152. This is not the how to brew the beer tutorial. That's on the website. Check the website out.
Checking the website. That's a paddling. And we are sparging.
Should we do like a 45-minute or should we do a 60-minute?
I mean, that's acidic water. That's a tight grind. When we talk about efficiency, I think we could do 45. I think, dude.
Let's order some tacos. Guys. What do you think about ordering some tacos?
Dude, if we're headed to flavor country, you're gonna want to buckle up.
It's time to pull the basket. So we're gonna do a mash out on this. We typically don't follow the instructions on the brew sheets that Emmett gives us. We're gonna do that today.
Eeny, meeny. Here we go, here we go, here we go. A miny.
You wanna bump that temp up to, or turn it to manual.
Yeah. We're gonna toss our grains. Kyle just went down for a nap, so we're just gonna like really, you know, take this easy does it. Are you gonna get up?
Yeah.
We've got a 60-minute addition. We just hit our boil. Perhaps a mid-afternoon snack. It's good! So we've hit our boil. We've hit our first 2-ounce 60-minute hop addition. Got 4 hop additions with this beer. A 60-minute, a 30-minute, a 15-minute, and like a whirlpool sort of knockout hop addition. We're gonna hook up our plate chiller and cool this boiling hot kettle of wort down so we can pitch our yeast. We're cruising for our pitching temp of 70 degrees.
Okay, let's not forget this. Is it on? I turn it on. Pump off.
Pump off, pump off. Here we go, pump off. Here we go. Good to the last drop. You ready? Oh yeah. WLP 008 East Coast Ale Yeast. Single origin yeast, hand foraged in downtown Asheville. Boop. Cheers, dude. Cheers, dude. Let's put this in the proper cellar.
Let's do a little lower, 66.
Another one in the books. Foraged beer. See you at the tasting.
Time warp. Jeez.
Good time warp, dude.
Whoa. Great time warp.
Welcome to the future.
Yeah.
Are you ready to taste this?
Let's taste it.
Let's
yeah.
taste this.
Smell
waterfall.
it, taste it, enjoy it.
Tastes like beer. Some classic kind of IPA or aromatics coming off of this.
I'm not gonna lie, I can't smell anything, so I'm gonna take your word on all of that.
This is, you know, this has got some legs. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a kick in the teeth.
It's 60 IBUs, but
Is that what we're calling it? 60 IBUs?
yeah, I think that's what the sheet said. But it
take
tastes, yeah, it's fairly bitter.
Color's looking good. That's that hand foraged Maris Otter. What was our final gravity slash
Yeah.
final
So we're
alcohol by
1060,
volume?
1060 down to 1017, 5.6% ABV. It's a little cloudy.
Yeah, I mean, we did
dark,
leave it
little-
on the yeast for a while.
A little rusty water vibe going on there.
From the mountaintop to the glass.
Yep.
I'll drink to that.
Yeah. Cheers.
Have you ever heard of a brain-eating amoeba?
We boiled it for 60 minutes, so I think that typically will kill the brain-eating amoebas, Giardia, what is it, sarsaparilla?
Yeah, sarsaparilla, dude.
Sarsaparilla. Okay, but then you have like hops, which are antimicrobial, and then you have alcohol, which kills, you know, stuff as well.
Kills brain cells, man.
Oh, I think.
What's that amoeba gonna eat if all your brain cells are dead from
Yeah.
drinking this booze?
I think I've heard, and I don't know. I've heard, and I don't know if this is true, but there's nothing that can live in beer that would kill a person. So you can botch a batch of beer pretty hard. You can biff it pretty hard, and you're still gonna survive. If it smells weird, probably okay. What? Not gonna die, probably. don't know.
I mean, the beer's safer than the water.
Yeah.
That's why they made the beer for forever. Because you won't get the amoebic dysentery or the brain-eating bacteria, the blood parasites, human heartworm. It's brutal. But yeah, brew that beer, man. It's going to keep you safe.
I feel better about drinking this beer than their tap water at this point.
How are you going to rehydrate if you don't dehydrate?
Yeah, I think we nailed it. I think nature nailed it for us on this one.
You know, I do think nature nailed it for us. I think that when I drink this beer with the natural water that we foraged from a mountain waterfall, I just want to give Mother Nature a high five and a smooch on both cheeks. Single malt, single hop, single yeast, single water. Smashawayashu. Smashawayashu.
That was so close.
Is it surprise time?
It's surprise time. I promise a surprise.
You're the one. It's you.
You are the one.
It's you. You.
Congratulations.
You. Just click on the box.
Just click on it.
Just click it. Just click the box.
Right. Let's do. All right. 3,
2,
2, 1. Click.